Let's chika. Bel Mariano hinahangaan sa husay na umarte saad nga ng isang direktor. Alam nyo, ina-idol ni Bel Mariano ay si John Lloyd and Judy Ann Santos. Ayun, she is a good actor na ngayon. Hindi naman niya kinokopya pero si Bel, iba talaga eh. May acting talent talaga siya. Talagang may karga. Alam mo yon, he didn't just say her lines. She brought the character to life and brought us into the moment where she confronted someone because she was so done and could no longer tolerate it. The pain in her voice and the anger in her eyes were undeniable. Sobrang husay niya talaga.